Listen, you weren't born just to wake up, work, pay bills, and repeat until life is over. You were born with a purpose, with potential, with dreams inside you that are waiting to be realized. Most people give up too early. Most people settle for less. But you, yes, you have a choice. You can rise, you can fight, you can win. Today could be the day everything changes if you decide not to quit. Think about how many dreams never see the light of day. Not because they were impossible, but because someone gave up. Giving up is easy, it's comfortable, it feels safe, but in the end, it leaves you with regret. Imagine being 80 years old, looking back at your life, and realizing you never even tried. That pain of regret is heavier than the pain of discipline. Don't let fear steal your future. Don't let excuses destroy your destiny. Winners are not the smartest. They're not the strongest. They're the most disciplined. They wake up when they don't feel like it. They keep going when others quit. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. Every time you push yourself, every time you resist the urge to quit, you are building the strongest version of yourself. Remember, success is not built in one day. It's built daily. Life will test you. You will fail. You will fall. You will be rejected. But that's not the end. It's training. Failure is feedback. Pain is fuel. Struggle is strength. The ones who succeed are not the ones who had an easy road. They are the ones who turned every obstacle into a lesson. Don't run away from your struggles. Face them. Learn from them. Grow through them. That's how champions are made. Everything starts with belief. If you believe you're too weak, too late, too unlucky, you'll live that reality. But if you believe you're capable, powerful, and worthy, you'll start to see opportunities appear. The truth is, you already have everything you need inside you. You just need to trust yourself. Stop comparing your journey to others. Run your own race. Your time is coming. Keep moving forward with faith, and the doors will open. This is your moment. This is your life. You don't get another one. Stop waiting for the perfect time. It doesn't exist. The perfect time is now. So get up. Take that step. Chase that dream. Push through the pain. Refuse to quit. Because one day, you look back and thank yourself for not giving up when it was hard. Remember this: winners don't stop when they're tired. They stop when they're done. And you are not done yet. Success isn't built in one breakthrough moment. It's built in the quiet, unseen hours of consistency. The days when no one is watching. The nights when you're tired, but you still show up. The world celebrates the result, but what really matters is the process. Every repetition, every small action is laying another brick in the foundation of your future. Stop searching for instant results. The strongest trees grow slowly, but their roots run deep. That's how you must live. Consistency beats talent. Consistency beats luck. Consistency builds greatness. The greatest enemy is not outside, it's inside. It's the voice that whispers, "You can't." It's the doubt that says, "You're not good enough." It's the fear that paralyzes you before you even begin. But remember this: fear is a liar. Doubt is a thief. The only power they have is the power you give them. When you silence that inner enemy and replace it with belief, With courage, with determination, you become unstoppable. You don't need to be fearless. You just need to act. Even when you're afraid, comfort feels safe, but it's a trap. Comfort zones may keep you from pain, but they also keep you from growth. Think about it. Every great achievement in history was born from discomfort, from stepping into the unknown. If you want to rise, you must be willing to be uncomfortable, to risk, to fail, to stand alone when others don't believe in you. Comfort is the enemy of progress. And if you're not willing to be uncomfortable, you'll never know how far you could have gone. One day, your time will end. Your story will be over. And the question is not if, it's when. But when that day comes, what will you leave behind? Your legacy is built in the choices you make today. Not in your words, but in your actions. Not in your excuses, but in your persistence. Your purpose is greater than the pain. Your mission is bigger than the struggle. Live for something that outlives you. Because at the end, it won't be about what you had. It will be about who you became. So rise. Rise when you're tired. Rise when you're afraid. Rise when the world tells you it's impossible. Because impossible is just another word for untested. This is your life. This is your fight. And if you refuse to quit, refuse to break, refuse to surrender, then one day you'll stand at the top and realize every sacrifice was worth it. Be unstoppable. Be relentless. Be the one who never gave up. Because greatness doesn't belong to the chosen few. It belongs to the ones who choose to rise.